Hello and welcome to Warhead Technology. In this video, we will give you a quick demo of how to use our JSON to HTML library. The demo will cover rendering placeholder component from JSON. There are different methods in a library that can be found on our website. We can use any of those methods. In addition, we have developed some APIs with the name Northwind APIs. These APIs are developed in order to test our J2HTML library. These APIs are freely available and accessible for all. Before starting the demo, let me give you an introduction of the documentation page of our J2HTML library. You can get our library by two ways. First way is that you can get this library directly from our website, or second way is you can clone our library from the GitLab repository. In this demo, we will go with the second way, that is, we will be cloning our J2HTML library in Visual Studio Code from the Git repository. Okay, let's start our demo. Step 1 is to clone our J2HTML library in Visual Studio Code. We will go to File, click Open Folder. Let's create a dummy folder here. Select the folder. As you can see, currently the folder is empty. To continue with the cloning process, go to View, click Terminal, and enter command git clone, and we'll copy this link from the documentation page of our library, paste it here, and press enter. As you can see, the cloning is under process. The cloning is done successfully. We have loaded our files here successfully. There are two examples of the placeholder: placeholder with class, placeholder with ID. First, we will test the placeholder with class. For that, you will get the HTML and JS codes here. We will simply copy the first HTML code, avoid any errors. Let's create a div. We will paste those codes in this div. Now go to File and save the current changes. In the JS folder, we'll create a JS file. Let's create a function. As you can see, we have added the URL of an API we'll be using here. Let's add a callback function. Now from here, we will copy the JS function and paste it here. With example, placeholder with class, we will be using these class name in order to load our placeholders in the input field. Okay, let's test this example. As you can see, currently the placeholder is not being saved. Click the submit button. Now as you can see, the placeholder here is getting saved. Our second example is a placeholder with IDs. In the HTML, everything is same except the ID attribute has been added in the input tag. For the JS function, we will replace the element IDs parameter values, the values of IDs. Go to File and save the current changes. Let's test our second and last example of the placeholder, that is placeholder with the ID. As you can see, we have successfully loaded our placeholders with the IDs too. Thank you for watching the video.